Hi, I am Kevin Rose. I am the Program Director for the Human Resources and Organizational Development Program, and I'd like to welcome you to the program. We're really excited to have you as part of our HROD family. So a few things to help you get started in our program. First thing I would advise you to do is to contact your advisor. That's a really important point of contact for you. It's going to be really important to get some resources from that person, to make sure you're connected to different pieces of information here at the University of Louisville. So contact your faculty advisor as soon as you can. The next thing to do is to fill out your program of study. Make sure that you're looking at our schedule of classes and that you have listed when you're going to take each of your classes. It's going to help you in terms of finishing your degree on time. And then lastly, what I'd encourage you to do is really think about the different resources you have available here on campus. We have tons of information we're going to share with you, and really get connected to the different resources we have here. We have some really great resources available for you as a graduate student here at the University of Louisville. Again, first thing is connect with your advisor, make sure that you can get all of that information from them. But two resources I'd like to highlight in particular. Number one is the Writing Center, and number two is the Ekstrom Library. So as a distance ed student or as a student here on campus, you have access to both of those resources. The Writing Center is really going to help you in terms of your academic writing skills, developing papers, thinking about research, all of that great stuff, and it's completely free and available to you as a student here at the university. Then, of course, the library has all kinds of resources available. You can access journal articles, newspaper articles, all kinds of really great stuff that's available at your fingertips anywhere you're located, regardless of if you're online or in person. All of that is available to you. So I really would encourage you to connect with those two resources as soon as you can. They're going to be really, really important for you as a graduate student. So one piece of advice I'd like to provide you as a new graduate student here in our program is to really treat this time as an investment. It's an investment of money and it's an investment of time. So really treat this as if you would treat any other investment in your life. So make sure that you're getting the most out of this experience. Make sure that you have a high return on that investment. Connect with your peers, connect with your faculty, really dive into the materials and get the most out of this time that you possibly can. It's going to take you a really long time to get through this program. It's going to take you maybe a couple years to get through. So make sure that you're using that time really wisely. Who knows what'll come out of this? Maybe new job opportunities, new connections with other organizations, new thinking, new learning that you're going to learn from every single class. So really treat this as an investment. That's my biggest piece of advice for all new graduate students.